Yeah, good evening, guys. We'll wait for 3 more minutes and then we'll start our class today. Okay, guys, let's start today's session. Before I'm going through there, I'll explain what we covered yesterday, and then we will go to today's class. Okay. So I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir, visible.
Okay. So we discussed control structure, control flow. So what is control flow? I told you, if for example, number of for 100 lines are there, if we want to execute some block of code, then based on the some condition or based on some loop, we will take a decision. So whether we will execute or not. One second. Ama, door is come. So in that we covered first control structure, control statement is selection or decision statement. So selection and or decision statement here, it is nothing but just if this is true, then I'll execute this block of code. Else I'll execute some block of code. For example, if one condition I'll check, if I want to check another condition, then I'll give if, something like that. Similarly, we covered if else, if else, and nested if. So till that point, I hope everyone is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today, I hope my screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir, visible.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Today I'm going to discuss about for loop. So in for loop, so basically what happened, for loop we will use to iterate over the sequence. It could be list, or it could be dictionary, or it could be tuple, or it could be set, anything. So to iterate and to access the items in the list in the sequence, we will use for loop. So so generally, so enter loop, for loop flow will be something like this. For loop test condition, if it is true, then body of for loop, again it will go to the test condition, and then if it is true, then again for loop until test condition fails, it will execute body of for loop. Finally, if it is false, then loop will terminate. So I'll give example so that you people will understand more. Okay. This is one of the important topic. please concentrate. If you have any doubt at any point of time, please ask me. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So, so this is the flow for value. So this is the variable. So in sequence could be list or dictionary or to list or range, whatever. So in that it will go inside. So for if this particular condition is true, then it will go inside this particular statement. If it is false, then it will come out from this particular for loop and it will execute fourth line. Till the condition is true, it is execute internally. So let's take an example so that you people will understand clearly. So for loop iterating over the list. So I took languages equals to Swift, Python, Go, and JavaScript. What I'm doing for language in languages, and then I'm printing the language. Okay, the language is okay. I'll comment out all the other things so that you'll be clear. So Python 3 for loop. So you can see the language is Swift, the language is Python, the language is Go, language is JavaScript. So usually what we used to do, we used to print something like this, right? For example, if I want to print first element, how will I print? Can anyone tell me? Languages of, I want to print Swift. How can I print? Anyone?
Index.
Yeah, index of
0.
Zero.
So that I can print this one. If I want to print Python, language index of 1, I'll give. So instead of that one, if I want to print all at a time, all single time, what I'll do, I'll go through for loop. This is for languages. So in is the condition till until it will end of this particular list, it will go. Okay. In operator, you know, right? For language, in place of language, this is kind of variable. You can create L also. L. In place of this one, we can give any name. For I, you can give I. So I, you can give any name so that it will print. Okay.
In it, you are storing languages.
Yeah.
Right, sir?
Languages list. We are accessing one by one. So that accessing one by one, that whatever accessing the particular variable is, we are keeping here. Variable. Okay. Whatever we want to, we can give. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yeah. Let's assume someone will help me. I want to take a what? What should I take? What cricketer names? I'll take names. Can you tell me someone any names? Cricketer names?
Dhoni.
Dhoni.
Kohli.
Kohli.
Rohit.
Sachin.
Okay.
Sachin.
Okay.
Hardik.
Cool. This is fine. Okay. So I want to print. So I want to print this element, all the cricketer names. So how can I print? Can anyone help me? For name
In names.
Names and print
Name.
Print name.
Yeah, okay. So that it will print something like this, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know what is this? How can I give access? I don't know. This I rarely use. To anyone, remote control. Control to you. So Gautami, I'll give it control to you. You just write hands-on. You just write in my editor, and then you just execute. So that is an experience with you. Okay. Gautami, are you okay? Can I give? Or if anyone voluntarily, anyone can take. I'll consider all these points as well when I'm taking interns, right? I'll consider this one as well. So Gautami took, so I'll give some points to Gautami. Someone took, I'll give points to her or him, anyone. Whom want to take?
What we have to do, sir?
Similarly, I'll ask you to print the first 10 integers, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, can I give
In
you
for loop only.
what?
In for loop.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
You are Saishta Sultana. You are the girl you're talking?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm giving. Oh shit, what happened? Okay, I hope you got the access. Yeah, you just, so I want you to print some first 10 integers. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Just create some variable and store in the list format, and then you can print. Can you write it? You are not able to access?
No, sir, I can't.
It's fine. So that just write assignment so that play around with lists. Okay. So, and one more thing. So, for example, range. So I'll do with range, this one. Everyone is clear, right, with the list, and how can I access list items in the list?
Yes,
Using
yes,
first. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. So values. So values, no, range. So Python 3, the range function, range of range, range of 4. What it will do? It will go 0 to 4. Starting
yes.
index is 0 and ending index will be 4. Okay.
Yes.
For example, range of 0, 10. I can give step function. I can give. So this is start index, and this is end index, and this is step. Maybe with the example you can. So what I'll do, range. I'll use range of 4. What it is printing? Let's see. Python 3. So you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. You gave 4. It printed 0, 1, 2, 3. So by default, it will start this one 0 and till n minus 1. If you give n, it will print till n minus 1 starting from 0. For example, if I'll give 10, it will take 0 to 9. For example, if you want to start, for example, 10 is there. If you want to start from 5, I'll start 5 to 10, so that it will start from 5. It will end till 9. You can see 5, 6, 7, 8. Just I'm printing. Just I'm checking range function. That's it. Nothing. This is similar to list only, but you can see range. It will tell that till that particular number you just print 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
If you don't give any, this is start index, this is start index, and this is end index, end index, end number. Okay. For example, if you give 3, then it will start from 3 to 9. 3 to 9. Okay. For example, if you started 0, and if you gave this one, it will print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So this step function also, range by step function is also available. So what it will do, by default it is 1, so that it will print, it will increase 1 by 1, 1. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, like that it will increment. You can see this one, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For example, if I gave step function 2, what it will print? So it will print 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 8 till 8. Okay. For example, if I want to print all even numbers, directly I can give this something like this, right? By using range function.
Yes.
For example, if I give 3,
All our numbers will be
0, 3, 6, 9. Okay.
yes.
This is start index, this is end index, and this is step function. Okay. We can print by using range function. We can access some by using range and for loop. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Everyone is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. So someone asked me yesterday's class. So sir, I want to print. So for example, what I given student and his marks got it, and by default, by using if condition, we need to print grades, A grade, B grade, something like that. So there are 5 number of students are there. Can you tell me 0, 9, 1, and his marks is, yesterday you guys remember someone asked me this one. So there are multiple students are there, so that how can we access the grades? Directly I want to print. Do you guys remember that question someone asked me? I don't know who asked me. 0, 9 to 86. And what is this? Some 0, 9, 3, 65 percentage, and 0, 9, 4, and what is this? 74 percentage. So what we will, so for this, we will write first algorithm. What we will write algorithm? If marks greater than 90, then A plus grade. Okay. I'm writing algorithm. If marks is less than, greater than or equals to 90, then A plus. Less than 90 and greater than 80. A. Yeah. Similarly, if marks is what is this, less than 80 and greater than or equals to, right? Greater than or equals to, less than 80 and greater than or equals to greater than 80. This 80 or 70? What should I? 70. Okay. Greater than or equals to 70 and less than 80, then B grade. Okay. Got it? I'm writing. So not simple. In our college, we will write, right? We will tell some. Now this is less than 70 and greater than or equals to 60. Then C grade. and else B grade. You got it? If marks is greater than 90, A plus, less than 90, greater than 80, A, less than 80, greater than 70, B, less than 70 and greater than 60, C, else D grade. Everyone is clear, right? This one. This is just I'm writing in the English words I'm writing. This is just algorithm. So input will be marks. Input will be marks. Output will be grade. Okay, everyone is clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we need to write this one in coding format. So what I'll do, marks equals to, let's assume some 65. I want to tell with this marks what is the grade. So what I'll do for all of, so you directly I can use, so I need to satisfy all the condition. In place of this guy 65 marks, I want to give some 90, 60, 55, anything. So for that I want to write. So what I'll write, first condition, if marks, marks, I'll give small letter, where is this? If marks greater than or equals to 90, what is the grade? Print
A plus.
A plus. Then next, if marks, same, this one only.
Greater than or equal to 80 and less than 90.
If marks greater than or equals to 80 and
Less than 90.
marks less than 90. Then what is the grade? Print
A.
And can you help me with the third condition? If marks
Greater than or equal to 80.
greater than or equals to 70,
70.
and marks less than
Equal to
Equal.
80, right?
Yes.
And what is the grade? Print B grade.
B.
And if I can write any number of ifs, no problem. There is no such problem. Marks is, what is this? Greater than or
equal to 60.
and
Marks
Marks less than 70.
less than 70.
Print
C.
else
L,
D. Print D or D.
print
B.
D. So I'll execute this one. Nothing is printing right here. I just comment out this one so that you don't this one confuse. So what is, he got the C grade. 65 means C grade. 65 is C grade. So the marks is in between these two, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For example, I gave 90. I want to execute. What is this? A plus grade. Right?
Yes. Yes.
And for example, I gave 80. What is the grade? We'll see. A grade. This is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what happened? Someone asked me. So every time I'm changing this one, right? Instead of this one, sir, how can we print all the student marks at a time? So that time I told him that we will do it tomorrow. So what we will do instead of this one, what we will do, already we are having student data. So, okay, this student data is there. Okay. So 091 is key and 98 is marks. 092 is key. This is rule number 091, 98 marks. Rule number 2, what is this? 092, 86 marks. 93, 65 marks. 94, 74 marks. So I want to use, to access this particular dictionary, what I can use for loop for key. key is nothing but roll number, right? So I can name whatever I want, roll number, comma, marks. So so this is key and this is value, right? Instead of, so in what I'll do, but normally this is key. So here, can you tell me what is key and value in this dictionary? Someone?
091 key, 98 is value.
Yeah, for key, comma, value in student data dot items print key, comma, value. So we need to use something like this. So student data dot items, so that I can access all the items. Okay, I can access all the items. Student data is dictionary dot items. If you give dot items, we can access all the items in the dictionary. Can you see 091, 98, 092, 86, 093, 65, 094, 74? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Print something like this. So, but our logic will be not to, so we can print something like this by using for loop for all the items. But our logic, what I want to do, I want to use this one with, I want to print grade for all the students. So what I'll do, simply just what I'll do, I just copied this one, this particular logic. So in place of marks, I can use this one, marks. This is roll number. I can give whatever name I want, so that we can see this one. And I can print this one also. Roll number, and roll number, and roll number. What I want to say is this: in this place, we can use whatever we want, whatever which is meaningful. I'm keeping that name. ఇక్కడ ఏమైతే మీనింగ్ఫుల్ అర్థం వస్తుందో ఆ వాల్యూస్ పెడుతున్నా. కీ కామా వాల్యూ అన్న పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, రోల్ నెంబర్ కామా మార్క్స్ అని పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఆర్ కామా ఎం అన్న అని పెట్టుకోవచ్చు, ఏమన్నా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఓకేనా? Let's see how, so that someone asked me, right? So I'll take all the class students. I want to print grades for all the students. So now we'll see whether it will print or not. See, 091 got A plus grade, 092 got A grade, 093 got C grade, 094 got B grade. Everything is correct, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So to access dictionary, we need to do something like this. Okay. Got it? So guys, just I'll stop for 5 minutes. Let's try to understand. Just see the screen and try to understand. If you find any difficulty to understand, just tell me so that I'll explain you. I'm telling you, this is really really important. When you go to industry, you'll use mostly lists and dictionaries, these two data types only. Again, I'll resume my class 8:35. Till that time, you just see. I'll try to copy this one as well. This one as well, so that you people will in the screen. This is list and this is dictionary. Just see, observe. If you find any question, if it is dumb question also, it is fine. If you ask me to explain again, I'll try to explain one more time. Guys, don't sit idle, please.
Sir,
Yeah,
in print bracket you wrote roll comma a plus, right?
yeah.
Why we are putting roll?
Roll is nothing but roll number. This is roll number. So I
But
can,
we have not stored roll number as a that number, right?
so this is roll number, right? So this is for key comma value in items.
If
Key,
in
comma,
place of roll, if we put anything else,
yeah, it will. Yeah, let's try it. Gautami. Just I give just string. That's it. You can see
okay.
091, 092, 093, 094. Okay.
So how it is identifying that is a roll number?
So this is nothing but key, comma, value in dictionary. This is key. This is value. By default, whatever you will give, first thing is it is considered as key, and second one is value by default.
Okay.
In place of key comma value, we can give k comma v, Gautami comma something, and the
If
student.
we give comma, then it will take both values, right?
Second one is value. Yes.
Okay. Got it.
Sir, how can we take value?
How can we take value?
Values are not keys. Just in print, you take key value, key only. So can we take value also?
No, this is value, right? This where you are. Can you point out me where it is? What is your doubt?
She was saying that roll comma marks we put that for line.
Yeah.
In place of that, only values we can use. Roll number we don't put. Only values can we put. She was asking that.
Yeah, just give some dash underscore. You don't want to do this one, just keep.
Sir, I want to print grades with marks, sir, not with key. So can I do that?
So what you can do is simply what you'll do, all mark equals to student data dot values, and then iterate in this fashion. You can iterate. You just add this logic inside this one. You got it? What I'm trying to say, this one in place of this one, and this one, and you can print directly. You can print.
Okay.
Got it? A plus A, something like that. Okay. But whenever you are accessing dictionary, it is best practice is that you need to access in this fashion. Key comma value. Because unnecessary operation, right? One more operation. See, here you are iterating only once from here to here. But if you'll do like that, first you'll go here and here to here, and you'll store in some variable. And again, whatever new list will be created, you will traverse one more time. That is order of 2n, right? So why you will create, why you will traverse one more time? Got it? Everyone is clear for loop? Accessing list and dictionaries. These are very, very important.
Yes, sir.
Everyone. Cool. Then if everyone is clear, then I'll move to the something else. Okay. So what happened? Let's take in zip function. What happened? Someone stored names in some list, or else roll numbers, so that it is easy. Roll numbers in one list. What is this? 091. is this? Sorry, 094. And similarly, what I want to, I stored marks in the list 98, comma 86, comma 65, comma 74. So I want to iterate these two lists at the same time. At the same time, I want to print for the student, what are the marks, for the student, what are the marks, for the student, what are the marks. So this is two lists. I want to iterate two lists at a time. So what I will do, Python providing one more function for roll number, RL, comma, marks. What happened? Marks in zip of roles, comma, marks, and print RL, comma, M. Got it? If I want to iterate two lists at a time, so I'll use zip function and then I'll execute. I'll try to execute. 091, 091, 98, 092, 86, 093, 65, 094, 74. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If you want to iterate two lists at a time, you can use zip function. Got it? Everyone got it?
Yes, sir.
This is also one of the important thing. Okay.
Zip is used for at a time two lists we can access.
If you want to iterate two lists at a time, so that you can use zip function.
Okay.
Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
we use zip for top if else and elif by including in it?
I didn't get what you're trying to say.
Can we get grades also with keys and rule number and marks by using zip?
By using zips, what you want to do?
Can we use in this for loop zip?
This is for loop only, right? For loop.
Including
Keep
this
on
if
grades
else.
also, sir.
Yes.
Great. Yeah.
Three at a time
This one.
with roll number, marks, and grade. 3 at a time.
Roll number, marks, grades. Okay, you want to store one more thing. So grade,
One more list we can.
grades.
We can store multiple links, sir.
Let's see. I don't think so. It is happy. It will work. Let's see. I'm working. It will work. Actually, we'll see.
Okay.
Yeah, it is working.
Yeah, we could.
Nice. I never tried actually. Okay. So everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, and one more thing, enumerate. So let's assume I took marks. This is the list. So what is present in 0th index?
98.
98.
Third index?
74.
So I want to print marks and mark index and marks. How so by you I want to print marks and index. So what I can do is for index comma mark in enumerate of marks. print index comma mark. You see this one?
Yes, sir.
I can. Oh, sorry. Can you see 0th position, 98, 86th position, this one, and 65 position, this one, and this one, everything. Okay.
Yes.
Enumerate function will use to print index. In place of index, you just write I also, no problem. That is just a variable. Everyone will confuse there only. Just make sure whatever I comma index, just we are creating. This is nothing related to Python compiler. Okay. Got it?
Sir,
Yes,
only
sir.
for
Hmm?
only for index we use enumerate.
Yeah. To get in at a time, at a single time, I want to print index as well as item. So I'll use enumerate function. Or else I'll give you one more. For I in range of len of what is this marks, then print I. So can you see this one? Already many people aware of that what len function will do for list. So len function will give length of the particular list. What it will output will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So output will be 4, right? Len of 4. So range of 4 means what it will print 0 to 3. It will print 0 to 3, right? Let us see it will print or not. So 0, 1, 2, 3. It printed, right? So I want to print item. Print of marks of I. So that I printed 0th element, 0th index 98, 1th index 86, 2th index 65, 3th index 674. Maybe you got confused. I will write beside so that you don't confuse. 0, 98, 1, 86, 2, 65, 3, 74. You can see.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Instead of that one, just directly we can use any I command directly we can access. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So I'll explain. So for loop we will use to iterate over the sequence. The sequence might be list or dictionary or two lists or range function, whatever it may be. In that we covered how we are going to iterate over the list. The first thing. And second thing is that with that I gave some example with the languages or cricketer names and all. And then I explained what is range function and how we are going to use how to use range function, start index and end index and step function. We covered that one as well. And then we covered Python dictionary. We will use for loop for Python dictionary, and inside that one we use some simple algorithm to print grade for the student. And then I covered zip function. Zip function we will use iterate multiple lists, and enumerate function if we want to print index as well as item at a time, then we will use enumerate. And zip function we will iterate multiple lists at a time. And range function inside len we can, this is kind of indexing only. Okay, everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you guys want these files, all these whatever I'm doing every day?
Yes, sir, we can practice it.
Yeah, I'll share in Google Drive, and then I'll share the link. And also what I'll do, I'll create one okay, it's fine, I'll do it right away. Where is this?
How can we convert in PDF, sir?
Which one? What is PDF?
That file what we have worked in.
I don't know. Wait. Wait, I'll let me create one drive. Where is this? New folder. How can I hide this one? Python programs. Where's this? Python basics. I'll create right away. Data link. Link with anyone. View it only. Copy link. Guys, I'm sharing with you. Okay. Where is this? Where is the class? Guys, can anyone confirm they can access this particular folder?
Yes, sir, it is opening.
Okay. You can see all the programs there, and I'll create one more folder. What is this? SSIGNMENT assignment. Python assignment. That I'll get a link in this link. They can editor. Don't upload some stupid things, okay? If someone will upload, it's not good for others, okay? All your assignments, what you can do is you can upload there. Assignments. Assignments, please upload in this particular folders. Create your name with some, for example, let's take what Python assignment. What I'll do, you just create one more new folder with your name underscore ASSIGNMENT assignment, and then upload your all Python files inside this one. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah, that's it, today's class. I hope you guys are enjoying these classes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Seriously, or just namesake you're telling?
No, sir. Seriously.
Okay. You guys are understanding, right? Tomorrow, if someone will ask you, can you write if loop or for loop, or maybe what are the different data types and all, you can confidently can write code, or you can explain, right, what it is.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. I'll share all the PPTs also with you guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Also, guys, anyone is interested regarding this, maybe I'll share few videos only, maybe again 2-3 videos in YouTube, and then maybe it is chargeable. And then if you want this one, the videos and certificate and all these programs accessible, all of the classes, maybe it is chargeable if anyone is interested. So the organizer asked me to approach you guys if anyone is interested or not. If you are not interested, that is also fine, no problem. If anyone is interested, you just ping that blender. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Cool then. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, then I'll stop. We can
Sir,
click
just for
on
confirmation, you
Yeah.
have given only one assignment, right, regarding list and dictionary.
list and dictionary. Yes, exactly. And soon I'm going to conduct one exam.
Yeah, okay, sir, that's fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay. In that exam, what I'll do in the online, I'll share few questions, and you need to create your first immediately. What you guys will do, you just create all your folders inside that one. Upload all your assignments in that. Once I gave questions, you need to create one more file and you need to write it there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Cool then. And this is very difficult who is talking to get to know. Cool then. Guys, thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.